To troubleshoot a Santander student account, start by identifying the issue you are experiencing. Common problems include difficulties with online banking, lost or stolen cards, and account restrictions. First, ensure you have the necessary account information and documents readily available, such as your account number, sort code, and student identification. Next, visit the Santander website and log in to your online banking account to check for any notifications or messages related to your account. If you are unable to log in, try resetting your password or contacting Santander customer support. If you have lost your card or it has been stolen, report it to Santander immediately to prevent unauthorized transactions. You can do this by calling their customer support number or visiting a local branch. For account restrictions, check your account balance and transaction history to identify any suspicious activity. If you find any, contact Santander to report the issue and request assistance in resolving it. In addition, review your account terms and conditions to ensure you are meeting the requirements for a student account, such as being enrolled in a qualified educational institution and meeting the age and residency requirements. If you are still experiencing issues, consider visiting a Santander branch in person or contacting their customer support team for further assistance. They can provide personalized guidance and help resolve any problems with your account. It is also a good idea to regularly review your account activity and update your contact information to ensure you receive important notifications and alerts from Santander. By following these steps and staying informed about your account, you can quickly and effectively troubleshoot any issues with your Santander student account and get back to managing your finances with ease.